Now straighten it out. Just right at the back. Trust me.
He thinks that thing is going to kill him, dude. I told him before. He thinks that thing is going to happen.
I was going to die.
You didn't get the close up on his face.
Dakota, say it again.
My pack of gum still dry, dude. I'm a bus pass, fuck.
When he said, that's why he said, "Do you have your phone?" No, dude.
Hey, you say you were gonna die again. Say I was gonna die.
Say, I'm Big Joden and I just got punked.
Say it.
I'm Big Durden and I just got punched.